Good morning, students. I have sent the syllabus of the demo revision demo come revision test that is going to be conducted on 4th November, and also I have given you the subtopics of the chapter trigonometric functions. In this chapter, the deleted topics, maximum minimum values of the function need not be done, graphs also need not be done, ये सब आपको करना नहीं है. And the question based on the last 3 identities that you studied in class 10 also need not be done. ये आपको मैं अभी बता रही हूँ. इस बार के लाइव क्लास में सब लोग अटेंड करेंगे तो हम सारे जितने भी अभी हम सिलेबस हाफ ईयरली का दे रखा है उसमें से डिलीटेड टॉपिक बता सकते हैं. आप लोगों ने रिलेशन फंक्शन, permutation, combination, sequence and series, as well as straight lines. These chapters test you have already given through first unit test and second unit test. Remaining are 2 chapters as per NCERT, that is conic section and trigonometry. In trigonometry, graphs are deleted, and the last year's identities are also deleted. Maximum minimum value of the function is also deleted, and sin 3x cos 3x tan 3x का देखते हैं. ये देना ही देना है. अगर आप लाइव क्लास में सब अटेंड करेंगे तो उसको डिलीट भी कर सकते, कोई दिक्कत नहीं. बाकी बहुत सारे टॉपिक्स है. तो आई सजेस्ट यू प्लीज ऑल द स्टूडेंट्स अटेंड this time live class on the coming Thursday. I will try to delete sin 3x cos 3x formula also, and you to do all the solved questions at least. सारे solved question अच्छी तरह करना है, as well as those questions that we have discussed in the video class as well as live class, that also you have to do in practice. Now in the last class we were discussing about the sin questions based on sin 2x cos 2x tan 3x, and now little bit of questions are also left that we will do. Before that, I just want to say you I had also given the syllabus of half yearly examination that is going to be conducted just after Deepavali break, in both WhatsApp group as well as Google Classroom. You just go through it. In each and every subject you are getting a lot of course, but due to this government order we are not able to open the school. That is why we are taking this test through online, so that the paper pattern I had told you, 3 hours the paper, total 32 questions, 10 questions MCQ, next 5 questions fill in the blanks, नेक्स्ट 5 क्वेश्चन 1 मार्क का क्वेश्चन. ये नहीं है कि आप बिना सॉल्व करके लिखे, फिल इन द ब्लैंक्स भी आपको सॉल्व करके देखना पड़ेगा. एमसीक्यू का एक्सपीरियंस आपको मिल गया, वो भी सॉल्व करना पड़ेगा. सेक्शन बी में 6 क्वेश्चंस होंगे 2 मार्क्स का, सेक्शन सी 6 क्वेश्चन 4 मार्क्स, एंड सेक्शन डी 4 क्वेश्चन 6 मार्क्स. दैट इज वेरी लेंथी क्वेश्चंस, सो डोंट miss it, and you have to make the time, make yourself the time management, otherwise the question paper will be skipped, so that you do consistent practice. तो sin 2x cos 2x तक का सारे ट्रिग्नोमेट्री में करना है. मेजरमेंट ऑफ एंगल्स, signs of trigonometric functions, then the values of trigonometric functions, sum or difference of angles, transformation formula, let me check. And one more thing is values of trigonometric functions at multiple and submultiple angles, and we will discuss the deletion or omission of the question based on sin 3x, the values of t functions at the angle 3x, that we will discuss later. So in this coming live class you should be, I hope that you all will attend. Now let us do little bit of question based on sin 2x cos 2x 3x tan 3x tan 2x, as well as sin 1 plus cos x is equal to 2 cos square x by 2. 1 minus cos x is equal to 2 sin square x by 2. All these formula you can see in class 12th also. Now 1 minus cos x upon 1 plus cos x is equal to 2 tan square x by 2. Similarly, cos 2x equal to 1 minus tan square x upon 1 plus tan square x. Sin 2x equal to tan x upon 1 minus tan square x. Tan 2x equal to tan x upon 1 plus tan square x. Now I am doing the question. Now we will do the revision after completing this topic, if the time permits. Question is example 37, page number 9.24. I am reading the question. If tan theta by 2 equal to under root of a minus b upon a plus b tan phi by 2, prove that cos theta is equal to a cos phi plus b upon a plus b cos phi. You are given that tan theta by 2 is equal to under root of a minus b upon a plus b into tan phi by 2. This type of one question we have done, that is example 35 of the page number 9.22. Very little different is there. Then also I am explaining each and every question, and you have to prove that cos theta is equal to a cos phi plus b upon a plus b cos phi. That you have to prove. How we can start? Now, you know that cos theta, what is the formula of cos theta? I told you 1 cos 2x is equal to 1 minus tan square x upon 1 plus tan square. ये formula है. If you half the angle को half करेंगे, you get cos x is equal to 1 minus tan square. Both sides you have to make half of the angle upon 1 plus tan square x by 2. इसमें change करना है. Now we will start from the left side using the given condition. Cos theta is equal to 1 minus tan square theta by 2 upon 1 plus tan square theta by 2. Now if you square it, you get 1 minus a minus b, under root will get cancelled, upon a plus b into tan square phi by 2 each, and that is, see, you have to know the formula in terms of 2x as well as x. That is why I am telling you, write all the formula in a different diary and do the reading of that diary daily in the early mornings, so that all the formula will be get by heart to you. So it will be in consistent touch with you. Upon 1 plus a minus b upon a plus b into tan square phi by 2 that you are given. Now by taking LCM, you will get a plus b minus of a minus b into tan square phi by 2 upon again a plus b plus a minus b into tan square phi by 2. Both denominator will get cancelled. Now the little bit lengthy question. Now if you compare the like terms, a minus a tan square phi by 2, if you take a common, a into 1 minus tan square phi by 2, and by taking here plus, let me check, plus, a into 1 minus tan square by 2, by taking a common here, by taking b common, b plus b tan square phi by 2, that is b into 1 plus tan square phi by 2 whole upon, again by arrangement in the denominator you will get a into here it is plus a tan square phi by 2. तो यहाँ आपका इस टर्म में यहाँ प्लस आएगा a इंटू 1 प्लस tan square phi by 2 प्लस b में माइनस आएगा b इंटू 1 माइनस tan square phi by 2. एंड you are asked to prove, आपको cos phi लाना है. cos phi का फॉर्मूला क्या होता है? 1 minus tan square theta by 2 phi by 2 upon 1 plus tan square phi by 2. Now dividing both numerator and denominator by 1 plus tan square phi by 2. Tan square phi by 2 से डिवाइड करेंगे, you will get a into, this can be put in bracket, 1 minus tan square phi by 2 upon 1 plus tan square phi by 2. 1 plus tan square phi by 2 plus b into, that is 1, again a, again 1 plus tan square phi by 2 by 1 plus tan square 1 plus b into 1 minus tan square phi by 2 upon 1 plus tan square phi by 2. हम tan square phi 1 plus tan square phi by 2 से डिवाइड कर रहे हैं. This is of the form cos phi, that is a cos phi plus b upon a plus b cos phi, that you are asked to prove, that is equal to RHS. ये आपसे पूछा गया, ये RHS हो गया. Next question is example one by one, example 38 of the same page number. I'm reading the question. If cos theta is equal to cos alpha cos beta, prove that tan theta plus alpha by 2 into tan theta minus alpha by 2 equal to tan square beta by 2. You are given cos theta is equal to cos alpha cos beta, ये आपको दे रखा है. You are asked to prove tan theta plus alpha by 2, tan theta plus alpha by 2 into tan theta minus alpha by 2 is equal to tan square beta by 2. Now we will start from cos beta, because cos beta is equal to cos 2 beta equal to 1 minus tan square beta upon 1 plus tan square beta. So that cos beta equal to 1 minus tan square beta by 2 upon 1 plus cos square beta by 2. From the given condition, cos beta is equal to cos theta upon cos alpha. Now cos beta can be written by the using the formula sum multiply and submultiples of angles. 1 minus tan square beta by 2 upon 1 plus tan square beta by 2 is equal to cos theta upon cos alpha. Now we want only tan square beta by 2 in the left side. So what we have to do, हमको सिर्फ tan square beta by 2 चाहिए. तो एक प्लस में एक माइनस में आया. You have to strike in your mind. You have to apply componendo and dividendo. Now by applying componendo and dividendo, we will get 1 minus tan square beta by 2. In the last class we have used dividendo componendo in order to avoid one step. लेकिन componendo dividendo commonly यूज करते हैं, dividendo component भी यूज कर सकते हैं, तो एक एक स्टेप कम हो जाएगा. वो क्वेश्चन की प्रैक्टिस से मिलेगा. Componendo means you have to add plus 1 plus tan square beta by 2 whole upon, this is for 2 beta only 2, 1 minus tan square beta by 2. Dividendo means you have to subtract minus 1, that is a plus b minus minus 1 minus tan square beta by 2. It is equal to cos theta plus cos alpha upon cos theta minus cos alpha. So this step is very important. इस स्टेप में से ये tan बीटा बाय 2 tan स्क्वायर बीटा बाय 2 लाने के लिए कंपोनेंडो डिविडेंडो लगाना है. ऐसे स्टेप को आप इम्पोर्टेंट टिक लगाकर रखेंगे तो भूलेंगे नहीं. दिस इज गेटिंग कैंसल एंड 1 इज गेटिंग कैंसल. यू विल गेट 2 अपॉन माइनस 2 tan स्क्वायर बीटा बाय 2, 2 अपॉन माइनस 2 tan स्क्वायर बीटा बाय 2 is equal to cos theta plus cos alpha, cos c plus cos d, 2 cos c plus d by 2 into cos c minus d by 2, that is cos c plus cos d, and cos c minus cos d is minus 2 sin c plus d by 2 minus 2 sin theta plus alpha by 2 into sin theta minus alpha by 2. These two are getting cancelled, minus are getting cancelled. You will get 1 by tan square beta by 2 is equal to, these two are getting cancelled, cos theta plus alpha by 2 upon sin theta plus alpha by 2, that is tan theta plus alpha by 2. First term को लेंगे, cot theta, 1 minute, cos theta plus alpha by 2 by sin theta plus alpha by 2 is cot theta plus alpha by 2. Now again second term you will take, that is cot theta minus alpha by 2, but you want everything in terms of tan, so that you can take the reciprocal, that is 1 by tan theta plus alpha by 2 into 1 by tan theta minus alpha by 2. Now by taking reciprocal on both sides, you will get tan square beta by 2 is equal to tan theta plus alpha by 2 into tan theta minus alpha by 2. I think this is you are asked to prove. तो इस क्वेश्चन में ध्यान रखना है, first of all we have to change cos beta in the term of 1 minus tan square beta by 2 upon 1 plus tan square beta by 2. After that you have to use componendo dividendo. Then you have to use cos c plus cos b in numerator and cos c minus cos b in the denominator. Next question is, say the continuously I am doing page example 39, page number 9.25. 9.25. I am reading the question. If cos theta equal to cos alpha minus cos beta upon 1 minus cos alpha cos beta, prove that tan theta by 2 equal to plus or minus tan alpha by 2 cot beta by 2. You are given that same pattern, cos theta equal to cos alpha minus cos beta upon 1 minus cos alpha cos beta. You are asked to prove that tan theta by 2 is equal to plus or minus tan alpha by 2 cot beta by 2. Plus or minus means you have to take square root. How we will start? Like in the question, cos theta can be written as, आपको tan theta by 2 चाहिए तो cos theta को change करना है 1 minus tan square theta by 2 upon 1 plus tan square theta by 2 is equal to cos alpha minus cos beta upon 1 minus cos alpha cos beta. जैसे last question किया, again by applying C and D, because we want only tan theta by 2. Applying C and D, you will get 1 minus tan square theta by 2 plus 1 plus tan square theta by 2 whole upon 1 minus tan square theta by 2 minus 1 minus tan square theta by 2 is equal to cos alpha minus cos beta plus, this is first term, into 1 minus cos alpha cos beta, that is a plus b. A minus b is cos alpha minus cos beta into minus cos alpha minus cos beta minus, this is plus first term bracket, second again bracket, this is 1 minus cos alpha cos beta. Like in the previous question, this is getting cancelled, 1 is getting cancelled, you get minus 2 upon 2 tan square theta by 2. And right side को आप solve करेंगे, if you multiply these एक terms को multiply करेंगे, you will get 1 plus cos alpha minus cos beta, एक को multiply करना है, minus cos beta minus cos alpha cos beta, just opening the bracket, whole upon minus 1, because for some adjustment we are taking like that, minus 1 into 1 minus cos alpha, इस minus को बाहर ले लिया, 1 minus cos alpha plus cos beta minus cos alpha cos beta. आप एक एक टर्म को मल्टीप्लाई करके देख, दिस इज द न्यूमरेटर एंड दिस इज द डिनोमिनेटर, आप एक एक टर्म को मल्टीप्लाई करके देखेंगे, यू विल गेट 1 cos alpha minus cos beta minus cos alpha into cos beta. एक एक टर्म को मल्टीप्लाई किया आपने. Second term is that is cos alpha minus cos beta plus 1 into 1 minus cos alpha cos beta का न्यूमरेटर में, डिनोमिनेटर cos alpha minus cos beta minus 1 minus cos alpha cos beta. इसको आप अरेंज करेंगे, 1 plus cos alpha minus cos beta minus cos alpha cos beta अपॉन माइनस साइन को बाहर लेंगे तो कि सेम लाने के लिए 1 minus cos alpha plus cos beta minus cos alpha cos beta. Now if you arrange the right side, I'm taking the right side को प्रोडक्ट फॉर्म में लिखेंगे, you will get 1 plus cos alpha into 1 minus cos beta. अब आप इसको मल्टीप्लाई करके देखिए, सेम चीज आ जाएंगे. ये स्टेप बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है क्योंकि 1 plus cos alpha is 2 cos square alpha by 2, 1 minus cos beta is 2 sin square beta by 2. In the denominator again both the minus signs are getting cancelled, इधर minus sign है, तो you will get the first term is 1 plus cos alpha, let me check, 1 plus cos alpha into 1 minus cos beta upon, next is 1 minus cos alpha, just reversing the sign, 1 plus cos beta. देखिए इसको वापस मल्टीप्लाई करके देखिए, एक एक टर्म आ जाएगा, दैट इज 2 cos square alpha by 2, 2 sin 1 minus cos beta is 2 sin square beta upon 2 sin square alpha by 2 into 2 cos square beta by 2. Left side is tan square beta by 2 is going on. That means, that implies 1 by, all the signs get cancelled, tan square theta by 2 is in the denominator, is equal to, this is getting cancelled, get cancelled, that is cot square alpha by 2, cot square alpha by 2 into, let me check once more, cot square alpha by 2 into tan square beta by 2. But we want in the left side tan square theta by 2. By taking the reciprocal, you will get tan square theta by 2 is equal to 1 by cot square alpha by 2 into 1 by tan square beta by 2. That is 1 by cot square alpha by 2 is tan square alpha by 2 into cot square beta by 2. But we want only tan theta by 2. That implies you have to take square root on both sides. Tan theta by 2 plus or minus tan alpha by 2 into cot beta by 2 that you are asked to prove. तो इस तरह आप क्वेश्चन में कहाँ कंपाउंड और डिविडेंड लगाना है, कहाँ क्वेश्चन को एडजस्ट करके आपको फॉर्मूला अप्लाई करना है, इसके लिए आपको कंसिस्टेंट प्रैक्टिस चाहिए. नाउ दिस मच इज सफिशिएंट फॉर टुडेज क्लास. Whatever the topic that we discussed, do in your notebook, do all the questions and do practice for the mock test as well as during Deepavali break. Do preparation for the coming half-yearly examination, and in the course is little bit lengthy, so that you have to do consistent practice. See you again in the next class. Thank you.